Hello kids, how you doing? Are you good? Are you good? Welcome to science class again. Hope you're good. All right, last week we started this topic that we called matter. We started the topic matter, and I know you've really read it, you've understand it, and you've digested it. So what is matter? Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. And also we started describing matter and objects. We started describing objects. Like, okay, how do you know this is an object? How do you describe it? What are the properties of an object? So today, let's go into the topic. We are also describing and how to group objects. We want to describe and group objects. How do we describe objects and how do we group them? So we are learning to describe object. We are learning to describe object. Then our objective for this topic is all students will be able to describe object and know how to group them. All students will be able to describe objects and know how to group them. Like I told you in my class, I love you guys to always create a smart card or a play card where you write the vocabularies and you study it every day. I advise you to write this word out, stick to the word, read them, memorize them, then pronounce them. Is that okay? So the words for this week is solid. The first one is solid, solid. Then we have liquid. We have what? Liquid, and we have gas, and we also have gas. Number 4, moved. Number 5, container. Number 6 is water. Because you guys are in grade 1, this will really help you to study more. So number 1 is solid. Number 1 is solid. Number 2, liquid. Number 3, gas. Number 4, moved. Number 5, container. And number 6 is water. Number 1 is solid. Number 2 is liquid. Number 3 is gas. Number 4 is moved. Number 5 is container. And number 6 is water, water, water. So guys, let's go deep into our topic. I put this here so that you guys will not forget. Let me remove this. All right. Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. Anything that takes up space and has mass is called what? Matter is matter. Okay. All right. So today we're looking at texture. Like I said, how can we describe our objects? How can we describe our objects? Last week we talked about color, we talked about shape, we talked about size. So today you're talking about texture. How do you feel something? How does something feels? I said objects can feel differently. When you touch some words, they are smooth. Then let's use a sponge as a case study. When you touch a sponge, how does it feel? How do you feel it? It's rough, it's doing it somehow. It's so rough. But when you touch the surface of a table, it's smooth. When you touch the back of a book, it's smooth. Is that fine? Good. So objects can be smooth or rough. Objects can be smooth or rough. Is that okay? I know you love that. So now let's go to weight. Another way to describe an object is by their weight. Are they heavy or are they light? You can remember we have scales. We use scales to measure weight. For example, if you go to the hospital, there's a scale there. They will ask you to stand on it for them to get your what? Weight. If you are traveling out of the country, they will ask you, oh, put your load on this thing. We want to check the weight. Is that okay? So weight is how heavy or light. Weight is how heavy or light something is. Or you can say weight is how heavy an object is. Weight is how heavy an object is. Now look at this. I have a table and a glue. In your mind, which one is heavy and which one is light? Now the table is heavy. Why the what's it called? The glue is light. Okay, I have another example here. I have another example here. I have a car and a bicycle. Which one do you think is heavy and which one is light? Now the car is heavy and the bicycle is still light. Do you understand? Okay, let's do our table and our book. Table and book, which one is heavy and which one is light? Our table is heavy while the book is light. Also, let's use our school bag and our pencil case as an example. Which one is heavy and which one is light? Now, our school bag is heavy and our pencil case is light. Okay, let's use chair and the plate as an example. The chair and the plate, which one is heavy and which one is light? Our chair is heavy and one plate is light. I hope you enjoyed this video. In case you have any question, please let me know. But once again, matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. Thanks for watching. Bye.